Is the loading and unloading efficiency of coil-to-coil electroplating low? Jiangnan Machinery's fully automatic laser welding loading and unloading machine is breaking through. Intelligent recognition plus precise grasping, compatible with multiple specifications of material belts, one-click start and stable operation. Relying on years of technological accumulation, we provide comprehensive support from design to after-sales service, helping you connect the ren du ermai of roll-to-roll electroplating production, and improving efficiency and reducing costs rely on it.